Take command of the road in the 2006 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, power trunk closing assist, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front fog lights, skid plates, and one-touch window functionality. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you